Hey, salut à tous, c'est Cardan. On se retrouve pour ce nouvel épisode du Let's Play de Dreamfall Chapters. Alors, on venait un petit peu de négocier avec la taupe, qui est vraiment une taupe. Et là, on va essayer de trouver la taupe, qui est un traître dans, dans l'équipe de rebelles, on va dire. Alors, il me semble que c'était au niveau du marché magique. Il y avait l'homme bleu avec un œil en moins, qui nous aime pas du tout d'ailleurs, qui nous demandait de trouver un traître. Est-ce qu'on ne le trouverait pas ici? Non, on peut pas. J'avais pas trop compris. Ah, désolé pour la caméra. Pas très pratique à naviguer. Alors lui, il est là, c'est sûr. Bah, j'aimerais bien, mais bon. Je sais qu'il avait une odeur particulière. C'était, je sais plus trop, de la lavande ou un truc comme ça. Mercurien. On peut le sentir.
He smells of tobacco. I'm not familiar with the scent. It's probably a Northlands. He smells faintly of camphor, or the pine forests of the north.
Et c'est toi?
Maybe lavender oil.
Ça me dit quelque chose. J'espère que c'était bien lui. J'espère que c'était bien lui. Retrouver Enuelico à la taverne Le Coq et le Chaton. Ok, je sais pas où elle est, mais on va trouver ça. Bah écoutez, ils m'ont pas vraiment donné d'indice sur si j'ai trouvé le bon ou pas. Alors la lavande, ça me dit un truc. Hein. Je pense qu'on avait senti de la lavande dans la réunion des nationalistes, mais bon, je suis pas sûr. Alors, je regarde si je le vois. The Roaster and the Kitten, et c'est le petit 4 sur la map.
A map of the southernmost parts of Mercuria.
Ok, alors apparemment c'est... Attendez, je vais y aller avec la souris. Je ne peux pas. On n'oserait pas le curseur. C'est le petit 4 là-haut. En haut à droite, à côté du grand C. Et c'est les raids d'avenue. Apparemment, on peut y aller à partir de la porte du sud. Nous, on est là. Ah, c'est pas... Enfin, j'ai un petit peu de mal à me repérer. On n'a pas de boussole. Allez caméra, s'il te plaît. On va voir par là déjà. Si on rencontre un autre plan, ça m'aidera à trianguler la position, si on peut dire. En tout cas, à voir si je suis allé dans le bon chemin ou pas. Je crois que c'est les quais ici, en fait. Hein. Ouais, c'est les quais. Par contre, d'après lui, si je continue tout droit et que je monte vers le nord, ça devrait être bon. On se fait pas repérer, hein. Tout va bien. Ça, c'est la porte du sud, très bien. Oh, c'est vrai, je l'avais oublié, ça. Ça y est, je suis dans Dreamfall, mais bon. Donc, il faut que j'aille vers le nord. On vérifie ici, mais logiquement, on est au bon endroit. Ouais, c'est ça. Vers le nord, et ce sera une des petites maisonnées sur la gauche, tout au bout. Parfait. Ah, ça fait toujours bizarre hein, de retrouver les mêmes lieux. Tiens, il y a une porte qui est accessible ici. Bah, c'est ici, le coq et le château. Ça fait bizarre de retrouver les mêmes lieux entre différents jeux, mais à chaque fois ils sont refaits totalement. C'est assez rigolo. Alors, on doit pas être très loin de la fin du chapitre, hein, je pense. Bonjour tout le monde. Oh bah il y a du monde ici. Apparemment on peut parler au barman. Ah, on peut pas courir dans la taverne. Ça se fait pas.
Alvik doesn't have the most sophisticated or upscale clientele, and I'm sure he's happy about that. At least they're not a raucous or unruly lot.
Ok.
Alvik keeps them in check.
Alvik c'est le tavernier. Hein. Oh, il y a quand même des soldats là-bas, tiens. Va falloir qu'on fasse attention à ce qu'on dit.
There are mostly laborers and dock workers in this bar. It's the perfect cover for the resistance. Alvik doesn't have the most sophisticated or upscale clientele.
Je vais juste aller voir s'il n'y a pas un truc planqué là. On dirait que non. Je peux pas interagir avec la porte. Bah alors mon gars.
What can I get you, my good man?
I have little faith in the quality of the water in this place, but I can at least hold a cup and pretend to be drinking stronger stuff. I'll take a cup of water.
Water? Why would you want to order that foul stuff? I'm afraid we serve no water here, da. Fish fucking that, you know.
Ok, j'ai pas le choix en vrai. Ah super.
Your friend. She's upstairs.
Ok.
Friend?
Yes, your friend. She's been waiting. You don't want to keep a woman waiting for too long.
Oui, oui, j'y vais. C'est quand même joli, hein, je trouve. Bon, le jeu est forcément un petit peu vieux. C'est 2017, hein, je crois. 2020 peut-être. Par contre, effectivement, c'est un peu rigide quand même. Alors c'est elle qui veut me voir apparemment. On voit qu'elle a un certain style. J'ai pas l'impression de la reconnaître.
Sit. Please. I saved your seat. Sit down.
Ok, c'est là. Ok.
Smile. We're old friends, remember?
I don't remember that at all. Who are you?
Mais c'est la couverture. Oh là là.
I'm not with the Resistance, and I'm not Azadi.
If you're not with the Resistance and you're not Azadi, who are you working for?
I'm working for me, and I can either make your life easier or a lot worse.
She claims to be my friend and then she threatens me. Not the best. This must be a mistake. The publican was clearly confused. Who in Shadow's name is this woman? If she's looking for me, I need to know why.
On va dire ça.
I will have your name.
You will have my name. So forceful. So like a
C'est pas tout à fait ça que j'ai choisi, hein.
You're a popular man, Kian Havane. Apostle. Everyone wants a piece of you. I hear there's even a bounty on your head.
I'm afraid you've left me at a disadvantage.
I'll even the battlefield. I have as many names as I have friends. And enemies. Some call me Anna.
What do you want from me, Anna?
I like the emphasis. You're a clever boy. I want your assistance, but not right now. You're meeting someone. I'd hate to get in the way. I just wanted a chance to introduce myself, and now I have. So it's time to leave. Look me up sometime. You can find me at this table most evenings. If not, Ulvik can pass a message. Big man behind the bar. Wears an apron with a cock, a rooster, and a kitten on it. Can't miss him. Be seeing you, friend.
Wait. How did you see through my veil?
What?
You shouldn't be able to recognize me on sight. Unless you know me intimately.
I don't know what you're talking about. Be seeing you, Alvane.
Alors très bizarre, et en plus d'autant plus bizarre qu'elle nous dit tiens, si tu veux me contacter, je suis ici, mais bah, elle nous a rien dit, à part qu'on pouvait l'appeler Anna. Donc on sait pas qui c'est, nous. Pourquoi je la contacterais? Très bizarre, hein, cette histoire. Alors je vois qu'il y a un truc.
I really like Enu. She's quick, smart,
Enu
capable and funny. I don't think I quite understand her, but I do like her. Always angry, but a good man to have by your side in a dangerous situation.
Il faut que je descende. Ah ça y est, je peux courir. Ah. C'était vraiment long. Bon. Moi aussi je l'aime bien Enu. Du coup j'ai très peur qu'elle meure.
I trust Liko not to kill me for as long as the Resistance needs me. After that, he will turn on me. I'd better be ready.
Il vaut mieux, ouais.
Who was that?
What? Who? Where?
That woman. Who was she?
A mystery woman, huh? I don't know. I'm not a guy. I don't go looking at every woman who passes by. Liko?
Uh-huh.
Did you see a mystery woman?
No.
God, you need to get out more.
Is this place safe for the two of you?
What? Oh, you mean this. The face. The fur. This is a safe place.
But Azadi drink here.
Ulvik keeps it all under control. Also, magicals are still allowed passage in the city as long as they have valid passes and carry no weapons, visibly.
You have passes?
Sure do, but
we shouldn't push our luck. It's time to go.
Yeah, that. Come on, Kian. You passed Liko's test. You're okay. We'll head back to HQ.
Test?
Oh, yeah. Liko?
I told you I would not trust you.
And now you do?
No. I merely distrust you a little less. But you did well. I won't kill you.
Oh, il me saoule un peu quand même.
That's him being real friendly, you know. Hugs? No? Yeah, me neither. Okay, we really need to go. Come on.
Ok, on va les suivre. Je passe devant évidemment, hein. Au cas où il y a un assassin. Autant tuer l'apôtre. Mais c'est vrai, ce qu'il a dit, c'est qu'elle l'a vu à travers son voile. Je sais plus comment ils appelaient ça.
She had long auburn hair and light freckled skin. She dressed like a ranger.
Of course she did. Your type, huh?
Elle avait des cicatrices aussi.
I don't
Au
really
visage.
have a type.
Really? Guy like you, I thought you'd be super choosy.
I'm not. God.
C'est par là qu'on
I've
va?
not had much time for women in my life.
Leaping leapers, are you joking? How old are you? Look at you, you're gorgeous.
C'est gentil ça.
How did that come out of my mouth?
Leaping leapfurs?
Nope, just nope. You do like women though, right?
Shadow take me.
Not that there's anything wrong with, you know. In fact, I could have
That's
set you
quite
up
enough,
with...
Anu.
I don't know, this just happens. It's a sickness. I open my mouth and...
Vous comprenez pourquoi j'ai peur qu'elle meure. Ils font quand même tout pour que on ait de la sympathie pour elle. Et je me méfie du coup. Alors je sais pas où on va, mais bon, je les suis plus ou moins. Alors c'est un peu bizarre à expliquer, mais de temps en temps le personnage il s'arrête d'avancer. Sûrement pour les laisser à côté quoi, mais... Oh oh.
Passes. What are you doing out so late?
Drinking.
Dancing.
Just drinking.
Next time, go drinking inside the wall. We don't need your kind at our bars.
No, you're absolutely right. You really, really don't. Goodbye.
Sympa.
Dancing?
Right then and there, it felt like an appropriate answer.
Tell me again about this test.
I expected you to run straight to your mistresses, Alvani. You may be of some use to us. For a while. I will still kill you.
Oh,
Nothing
mais
you can
t'arrêtes
do will
de
ever
saouler.
repay
Hein.
your debt to my family and people.
Cheerful. Debt?
Never you mind, Zidling. This is between the Apostle and myself.
Zidling. Really? Really? You know I'm not actually a Zidling, right, Glumbum? I'm of age and I've already been with several
That
men...
mouth thing again, Zidling.
Mm-hmm. Thanks.
Bon, toi, faut que t'arrêtes de dire que tu veux me tuer toutes les 3 minutes, hein, parce que franchement,
Where is everyone?
c'est un peu redondant.
In bed, I guess.
Oh, il n'y a plus personne.
It is late.
Ça sent
He's
mauvais.
right. It's never this empty. Something's wrong.
Ouais.
We
je suis
should
d'accord.
hurry.
Est-ce qu'on va se faire attaquer? Oh oh. Attention, pas elle, hein. Aïe 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 aïe. Attendez, il y a... Ah, mais... Ok, bon, je l'ai chopé. Ça n'a aucun sens, mais
We
soit.
need to keep moving. We don't know how many of them
J'ai
there
cru
are.
que je l'avais pas, là. Hein. Quand j'ai compris que je pouvais viser, sélectionner.
Good catch, Kian. That was a good catch, wasn't it, Liko?
He survived. It was acceptable.
He's totally warming up to you.
Thank the gods of old our boat is still here.
Ladies first.
Genre, il y avait qu'un archer?
That means you guys. You guys were the ladies. It was a joke. Fine, I'll go first.
I laughed. On the inside.
You would have exploded. I don't think your body can handle laughter, Liko.
Ah, j'ai peur quand même. Hein. Je suis pas rassuré. Ok, bon, ça va. Bon, vous voyez bien le truc, genre le navire, elle rentre dedans, il explose ou un truc comme ça. Il force trop sur le fait qu'elle soit sympathique, du coup, je m'attends tellement à la voir mourir. Mais bah, ce sera pas. Pour le moment, en tout cas. J'espère que ce sera pas tout court. Par contre, Liko, il y a des chances qu'il meure un jour. Hein. En mode, on va se sacrifier pour lui ou il va se sacrifier pour nous, parce que finalement, voilà quoi. Pour la mission. Enfin, bref, vous voyez l'idée.
I'm glad you're all back safely. How did it go?
Kian was awesome. He even saved our lives.
I would have caught the arrow.
Yeah, I know, but Kian did, and it was awesome.
Any news of the informer?
We brought him here for questioning.
Was that wise? He knows our location now.
That won't be a problem for long.
Maybe not for you, Liko, but it is a problem for me. We don't just execute our prisoners once we're done with them. How did the rest of your mission go?
Alvani followed our instructions. He completed his task to our satisfaction. The end result was adequate.
Hey, whoa. Don't get all mushy on us now, Liko.
I'm glad to see that the three of you can work together. While you were away, we received some news. Bob, who can see?
Right you are, ma'am. As most of you know, the first of the 6 has been due to arrive in Mercuria for weeks now. Well, she's arrived. Their cloud ship docked with the tower not an hour ago. And she ain't alone.
The first is the Azadi's highest authority. Of course she won't travel alone.
Aye, there's that, but I'm not talking about bodyguards or handmaidens or the like. No. She's got some real interesting company. One General Hami, alongside a Mother Utana.
What did you say?
Hami, General, Utana, Mother. Do you know them?
I do. They're with the first of the 6.
So word has it.
How do you know this? Do you have eyes inside the tower?
Not inside, no. On the ground, here and there, close enough. Some tell secrets for money, or to protect their own secrets. Some are sympathetic to the Magicals. And some are unhappy with Saya and her lapdog Vamon.
They run the city still.
Word is, they're intimate.
A sister and a soldier. That's a capital crime.
Well, that, with Saya ruling the church and Vamon, the state here in Mercuria, there's not much anyone can do.
If anyone can, it will be General Hami and Mother Utana.
You know them well, then?
You knew. You knew they were coming. And you knew my history with them. That's why you freed me from...
Naane! Finally. What news from Myria?
Liko, Shepard, the rebuilding progresses and... Alvani, you are on your feet again.
The traitor. She betrayed the Resistance to save herself. And now she's come back. Don't they know who she is and what she's done? I must tell them before she flees.
Alors, je sais plus en échange de quoi elle avait trahi la Résistance, mais c'est vrai qu'elle avait trahi la Résistance à Alvane, hein. C'est à lui qu'elle a révélé où est-ce qu'ils étaient. Et ça s'est mal fini, mais bon, voilà, ça c'est parce qu'il avait été suivi.
The traitor? What's that witch doing here? They must not know who she is and what she's done.
On va plutôt attendre de en savoir plus clair sur son histoire.
They're all well. Rebuilding... apologies, Shepard. I'm tired from my travels. I would like to retire to my quarters.
Of course. Let's speak tomorrow. That goes for all of us. The hour is late. We will reconvene after breakfast.
You knew they were coming. The General and the Mother. That's why you sent Captain Bakim to Friar's Keep. That's why you freed me.
Kian.
Liko was right. You're using me. All those words about being a symbol, about being important to the Resistance.
Does the one exclude the other? You are a symbol. You are a warrior. And now, you're a rebel. I knew they were coming, Utala and Hami. And I knew from our spies in Sadir that you were bound to them both. We saw an opportunity, and we sent Barkim to free you. You can see that we're desperate, Kian. Afraid, alone. Most humans have already given up, given in, become comfortable with this new world, with the Azadi. Many have forgotten about the magicals, or chosen to forget. They carry on their lives, even if we cannot. We few are all that remains of the Resistance. If we lose, all is lost. Our lives, our hopes, our entire future. Lost to darkness. I will do anything to save my people. Make terrible sacrifices, tell lies, anything. Wouldn't you, Kian? So yes, you are a tool. And you are a symbol. Our secret weapon. The key to our survival. It's been a long and tiring day. And there's still much I need to do. We can continue our conversation another day.
C'est plus un monologue qu'une conversation. Mais nous, on doit aller parler à Naadé en privé. Alors je sais pas exactement où est sa chambre. On va bien trouver, hein. Tu veux pas m'indiquer? Je regarde des portes au hasard. Ah, qu'est-ce qui se passe? Je vois un symbole derrière, mais... C'est bizarre ça. On dirait que je peux lui parler mais que je suis pas dans la pièce. C'est très bizarre. Bon, bref. Peut-être que la porte est ouverte tout simplement. Ah voilà. C'était bien ça. Coucou.
I've been expecting you.
Bah oui,
Why
forcément.
did you protect me in there? Why not tell them what I did?
I only had a moment to decide. That's not enough time to weigh a person's life. I have no intention of protecting her secrets, but her selfless actions granted me a second chance. I called her a traitor, but are we so different?
Ça.
It was her portal that helped me escape the keep. She healed my wounds. She knew I might expose her, and yet...
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
Yet, why did you save me?
Because you were sick. Because you needed me. Because without my help, you would have died.
Knowing I might tell everyone what you did.
Tu peux parler plus fort.
That made no difference. The Resistance needs you. So I did my part.
You're still a traitor.
I did betray the Resistance. But before you decide what to do with me, will you hear me out?
Bien sûr, je suis
Everyone
là pour ça.
deserves to be heard. Maybe the others won't give her that opportunity. Speak.
When I gave you the location of our base and betrayed April, I thought I was sacrificing one person to save everyone else. But many died because of my actions. This has haunted me. I have questioned my motives. Did I sell her out to save the shipment of food and medicines? Without it, many would have suffered. The old, the sickly, the children. Or did I betray the Resistance to save my own skin? I would have been executed by the Azadi. I truly don't know. Perhaps it was a little of both. Perhaps things are not so black and white. We can never truly know the consequences of our actions. If you keep my secret, I can continue to help. I am of real value to the Resistance, despite my crimes. Turn me in, and more will suffer. But justice, for what it's worth, will be served. It's your choice to make, Alvane, not mine. What is your decision? What will you do with me?
Alors ce qu'elle dit est plutôt cohérent en fait. Hein. clairement, elle a trahi April, parce que moi, je ne cherchais qu'April. Enfin, moi, Alvanec, qu'on était en train de jouer. Et malheureusement, c'est parce que, bon, nous, on a douté par rapport à April et on ne l'a pas tué. Et on s'est fait suivre par, je sais plus son nom, mais le vilain général, qui a ramené plein de gens et qui a tué plein de monde. Et ça, elle pouvait pas le prévoir. Donc, pour moi, tous les morts, hormis April, sont pas de sa faute. Il y en a qu'une qui aurait été de sa faute, c'était April si Kian l'avait tué, même si par causalité c'est quand même le cas. Si elle m'avait pas révélé l'emplacement, bah elle serait pas morte et les autres non plus. Mais bah, c'est l'armée qui les a tués, c'est pas elle quoi. Moi, je vais pas en parler.
Without her, they will be even weaker. I must protect her secret.
J'espère que je le regretterai pas.
I promise you won't regret your decision. I will live to repent my sins and serve the Resistance. I'm in your debt, Alvane. Always and forever.
You saved my life, but I may still call on you one day to do something for me.
I'll be ready.
On se croirait dans le parrain. Un jour, je te demanderai peut-être un service, mais ce jour n'arrivera peut-être pas. Enfin bref. Ouais, je serais bien mal avisé de la dénoncer vu que moi aussi j'ai trahi.
Has she mentioned him?
I don't think so. You do know she's brought General Harmy and that mother with her.
Utana, it means nothing. The general was due back in the Northlands.
What about the mother?
She's rumored to be next in line for the seat. She wants to be involved.
She was also the bleeding heart who practically raised Alvane. She sponsored his whole education.
Light. She could be a problem, but what can we do?
We make sure none of them know Kian is alive and with the Resistance.
Mistress, your presence here honors us.
Sister Sire, this is an impressive edifice. It appears your work here has borne fruit.
We believe so, Mistress. We welcome you to Malcuria and the Northlands. Anything you need, you let me know. Mother, I'm pleased to see you as well. To have the both of you here is a great honor.
Quite. The seat wants to know how the mission goes, how the Northlanders are handling the transition, and how many of them have chosen to embrace the light of the goddess.
We will speak of this, and much more. For now, we have prepared dinner for all of you. I hope you will join me.
Right. Well, I am starving. The food on those cloud ships.
General, I did not expect to see you back so soon.
Neither did I. What's this I hear about Kian?
Yes, what of the Apostle?
It pains me to inform you that Alvane died in a riot. He was detained under penalty of death until your visit, Mistress. Unfortunately, the rebels snuck their agents into the prison. They cut him down and burned his body.
Goddess guide his immortal soul to the First Mountain.
With every respect to you and your seat, Mother, Alvane was a traitor. He betrayed the cause and he—
May I remind you, sister, that the Apostle was never relieved of his title and should be addressed properly? And may I also remind you that without a proper trial and judgment by the first of the six, his so-called treason remains an accusation and nothing more. Now that he's no longer with us, we may never know the truth. But our people will not be told that the Apostle was a traitor.
Mother.
How did you say he died, Commander?
Stabbed during a riot. They burned his body, hopefully after he'd bled out. We weren't able to retake the prison until the next morning.
I will need to see the keep for myself, Commander, and interview the guards and prisoners.
Oh.
Certainly. I shall make arrangements for you to visit in a couple of days.
On sait qu'on a laissé un en vie.
I'll go there tomorrow. You don't have to trouble yourself. I'm sure you have better things to do.
As you wish, Mir.
How is the engine progressing?
The engineers are working day and night to connect the tubes. We expect to be able to switch it on according to schedule.
Good. I have brought the final instructions from Sadir. The architect will send any remaining modifications by cloud ship. And when the Prophet returns, he will inspect the engine before we switch it on.
Have you not spoken with him?
Not for many months, but he will be here when our goddess-given task is complete. Only he will know how to bring it to life and to interpret the messages from the engine.
Of course. Please, will the two of you accompany me to the dinner table? I'm sure the kitchen is worried the food will turn cold before we are seated. General, Commander.
Until tomorrow, sister. Mother? My lady? Valmon, if you'll dine with me in my quarters?
Of course, Mia.
Tell me again what happened at the keep.
Alors lui, il a des doutes, hein. Ils ont parlé d'un moteur et d'interpréter des messages, je sais pas du tout ce que c'est. Je suis assez curieux, en fait. On n'en a jamais parlé avant. En tout cas, c'est dans le grand plan des Azadi, visiblement. Chapitre 4. Rappel. Alors, la traduction est étrange. Hein. Que là, c'était Dreaming. Rêver, quoi.
Hello?
You were there. Ixul Panax Brekal. We met.
Oh, il fait peur. Ah, c'est... Oui, c'est Abnaxus. Il était dans l'espèce de maison arbre dans le tout premier jeu. Et si je me souviens bien, son espèce, en fait, elle est intemporelle. Elle mélange tous les segments temporels comme si c'était le même, en fait. Du coup, il sait jamais c'est quand le passé, le futur, etc. Si je me souviens bien.
Have we met before?
Ça, c'est Zoé.
We will. We are meeting now. Venari Abnaxus it al. I am Abnaxus of the Venar.
Oh, hi, I'm Zoe of, the humans. Who's that?
He will be Ular Pala, chief of the Ular. Those who remained, children of the Purple Mountains.
Okay. This is a dream, right?
It was. You dreamed of things elsewhen. Of Abnaxus who was, and who will soon have passed beyond the veil and into the great forgetfulness. In the dream, I will speak of the time that has flowed, and the time that will still flow. But outside the dream, I will be sick.
Super. Bon, je peux pas passer, hein, moi. Et je peux pas courir non plus, visiblement. Je vais aller voir lui là-bas, du coup. Peut-être que je peux lui parler. Par contre, faut toujours que... Il y ait l'héroïne qui se retrouve en petite tenue, hein. C'est impressionnant. Alors, c'est pas catastrophique comme tenue, hein, mais bon. Quand même... On l'a vu dans les 3 jeux, quoi. Apparemment, je peux pas lui parler non plus. Donc c'est bien là-bas, il y a un truc à faire. Mais j'ai pas vu, quoi. J'ai trouvé un angle de vue qui n'en montre pas trop, mais bon. C'est pas terrible. Il y a ça, voilà. Bon, comment je fais, du coup? Il n'y a rien à actionner, là. Ah, regardez, il y a une main là-bas. Oh, fallait la voir. Hein. Ok.
I was like a petrified tree in the middle of a river, frozen in this moment, while time parts around me.
Ok, j'ai rien compris, mais c'est pas grave.
So, why am I having this dream?
You were needed. Achik aksik nabe ajna achik aksik. The first dreamer needs you.
The first dreamer?
Est-ce qu'il parle d'April, du coup? Bon, je me ferai pas avoir 2 fois maintenant.
How did
Je sais
you get
qu'il
over
faut
there so
agir comme ça.
quickly? There's some sort of doorway into the mountain.
This one is also sick. This one is dying. Lux Kamhel.
What does that mean?
This one's name is
C'est pas
Lux.
appris en tout cas.
This one is the first dreamer.
Lux.
This one is like you, like your sister, like those who did dream and shaped reality.
Another dreamer. Wait, that wasn't real. That was just another dream.
Yes. And also much more. We needed you to come. You came. You will come here to help Lux. Everything depends on this. Everything that was, is, and will be. If this one ends, everything ends. All of time.
Someone else told me the same thing. What does it mean?
This one is the first dreamer. This one dreams. And the dream is the universe. When the dream ends...
What's happening? Where are you going? Hey! Hey, come back! Tell me what's going on!
Ça, c'est un peu étrange. Des propos, enfin de ces propos, on comprend qu'en fait, comme si tout l'univers, c'était le rêve de cette Lux. Ou Lux. 31 juillet 2220.
Oh, Jesus. That felt so real. Oh, is that the time? Oh, shit.
Alors, il faut aller au cabinet du docteur Zelenka, la tour chez Chadri. Ouais, on va peut-être s'habiller avant. On peut allumer la télé, non? Oh non, des pubs. Ah, c'est pas l'air d'être des pubs, ça a l'air d'être une émission.
How come it's always raining when I'm in here, but when I go outside it's not? Mind you, I'm not complaining, it's just odd.
Allez, on va se changer. C'est un petit peu sommaire, hein, leur appartement, quand même. Bon, c'est bien, hein, y a un lit, il y a un coin salon, il y a une cuisine. Mais ils ont pas beaucoup d'affaires, c'est ça que je voulais dire.
Memories. I need those around. I like beds. I like spending time in beds. By that, I don't just mean sleeping, but also other bed-related activities.
Ah bah bravo Zoé. Ah, c'est mieux, hein. Est-ce qu'il y a d'autres trucs à voir ici? J'ai pas l'impression.
Picture me stretched out on that sofa, facing the screen, and you have the Castillo Termes household in a nutshell. That thing hasn't been used in a week, since... Well, yeah, no. Later.
Ah, je pensais qu'on allait pouvoir faire la vaisselle, mais non. C'est pas bien ça. Ok, bon bah écoutez, hein.
Now the bathroom serves only one. Do I have to pee? No, I don't have to pee.
Ok, bon bah on sort. On peut rien faire chez nous. Et on va se diriger vers la tour de notre psychologue ou psychiatre, je sais plus. Je crois que c'est psychologue. Chargement un petit peu long tout de même. Alors, je suis ici. Par contre, je sais plus où elle est la tour.
Citizen, hold.
Ah, qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Where are you going?
Why?
Answer the question or you will be detained.
Ah bah dis donc.
I have an appointment.
The streets are unsafe. Return to your home or business to conduct your appointment remotely.
I'm seeing my doctor.
What is the name and business location of your doctor?
They have
Bon,
no
on va lui
right
dire,
to
hein.
ask. Dr. Roman Zelenka. His office is in Seshadri Tower.
You are Zoe Meyer Castillo, a resident of Sonnenschein Plaza Terraces by OCG.
Are you asking me a question?
Stay off the streets, Miss Castillo. It's for your own protection.
Sure it is.
Proceed.
Bizarre ça. Vraiment bizarre.
Crowboy's here to help you find your way in Propast. Well, if it ain't my favorite cowgirl. Can I point you in the direction of something, darling?
Rez's office is down by Prista
Dr.
Vista.
Roman,
I'm going to Seshadri Tower.
The tallest tower in all of Propast. That'd be right here, sweetheart. Y'all come back anytime now, you hear?
The eye in the sky watches, so you don't have to. Help us help you. Stay inside and comply.
Je sais pas si je suis parti dans le bon sens, voilà. Si, c'est par là. Faut que je descende un escalier. J'ai bien en trouvé un quelque part. Apparemment non. Ah, il y en a un là, mais j'ai pas le droit de passer, on dirait. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Pourquoi je peux pas passer? Ah bon, on va faire le tour, hein, du coup. C'est pas pratique, hein, tout ça. Son petit... sa petite vitesse de course, là. Pas être pressé. Je sais pas ce qui se passe. Il y a plein de forces de l'ordre dans les rues. Alors, c'est pas la police, hein, c'est une... Ouais, mais il y en a partout. Hein. Il a dû se passer un truc. C'est l'œil. Voilà. C'est pas vraiment un groupe de mercenaires, hein, ça appartient à un conglomérat. Mais je vais pas pouvoir y aller si tout est bloqué à chaque fois. Bon, j'ai encore une chance en allant tout droit, mais à mon avis, c'est bloqué, hein, c'est mort. Ah, eux, ils se sont fait arrêter.
I'm a bit creeped out. There's been more and more of these random arrests. They're really cracking down on protests.
Ah bah ça, hein. Et pour le moment, moi, j'ai pas fait de manifestation. Cependant, on comprend bien que s'ils veulent arrêter quelqu'un, ils l'arrêtent. Qu'il ait fait quelque chose, non. Oh là là, mais qu'est-ce qui se passe? Il y a des manifestants à chaque fois. C'est curieux, hein, c'est curieux tout ça. Ah, est-ce que je peux pas passer par là? Non, ça va aller plus vite par là. Sauf si j'ai fait une erreur. Ah, j'ai un doute maintenant. En tout cas, c'est bien inquiétant ce qui se passe là. Je crois que j'ai fait une bêtise. Je crois qu'il fallait monter à l'escalier juste avant. Si je peux pas. Je vais retourner en arrière. En tout cas, tout est bien bloqué. Hein. Y a pas de problème. On arrive quand même à y arriver, mais... on arrive à y arriver. Aïe, aïe, aïe. Mais bon... J'aimerais bien savoir ce qui se passe, en tout cas. Alors, je pouvais passer ici. Voilà. Et logiquement, c'est sur ma droite. Oh là là, regardez-moi ça. Et on a vu que ça fait changer mon destin de dire où j'allais. Peut-être qu'on va se faire choper. Chez le docteur, voilà. La Seshadri Tower, elle est juste là. Est-ce qu'on prend le risque de rentrer? Parce que là, on va terminer l'épisode là. Ah, on va peut-être parler à notre pote.
I wasn't sure you'd make it today. What with the Panzer Pandu out in force. Say hello to our new robot overlords.
It was touch and go. Were you waiting for me?
I don't do apologies.
Okay.
When you bumped into me outside the collective, I was confrontational. I didn't mean to be.
You don't do apologies, Nayla.
You're right, so shut up and accept it.
Accepted.
Oh là là.
So why were you confrontational?
Paranoia, Zozo. I'm just on edge with this party business. No big deal.
Party business? Oh, she must mean the Marxists. I'm curious to know what's got her so on edge.
On va poser une question.
What's going on?
Manifesto's starting to come apart at the seams. Too many conflicts of interests. Ribas is having a tough time keeping everyone in line. There's no consensus about strategy, about what to do to get people to open their eyes and see what's really going on in this city. Some want to keep doing what we have been doing. Peaceful protest, debate, passing out pamphlets. Others want to take more radical action.
Like what?
It's politics, Zozo. You know how it is. The hardest part is agreeing on a common agenda. I'm not sure it matters. We're last in the polls and it'll take a miracle to change that. But anyway, you were asking me about Hannah Roth.
Oui.
I'm looking for her.
Why?
Oh, it's complicated. Queenie, you know, the Babka on the boat down
Sure,
in the...
everyone knows her.
Queenie asked me to look for Hannah, to find out if she's okay or not okay, I guess.
Why the hell would she be asking you?
Campaign business. I'm trying to get her to officially support Leia Uminska.
Ah, it's all starting to make sense.
Do you know Hannah?
She runs errands for merchants in Propast, does odd jobs for anyone willing to pay. She's helped me out a few times, deliveries mostly, and also... Well, that's how I know Hannah. But I don't know where she lives. I don't know who her friends are, I don't know how to get hold of her.
So, why...
She runs a gang, all homeless girls, the Dragonflies. They operate out of the underground here in Propast. They do odd jobs, legit jobs, but also other jobs.
Like crime?
Like crime, Zozo. Pickpocketing, fencing, smuggling, selling unlicensed
Ça vend du rêve, tout ça.
Drugs. Keep an eye out for the dragonfly symbol, and the girl with short pink hair and piercings. That'll be Hannah.
Ok.
I appreciate
On
it,
a sa
Nella.
description.
I'm sorry about getting involved in your affairs last week.
Don't worry about it. You still haven't tried the pork sausages. The last batch was a bit iffy. There were complaints and also food poisoning, but I just received a new delivery and they smell much better this time around.
Right. Some other time, maybe.
I hope you find Hannah.
Elle me donne pas du tout envie de manger ses produits, elle. Hein. Pas une très bonne commerçante. Bon, bah écoutez, nous, on va partir dans la tour chez Shadi, mais on fera ça au prochain épisode, parce qu'on va se laisser là. Et oui, on est déjà à 45 minutes passées. J'espère que cet épisode vous a plu. On est reparti avec Zoé, mais je le sens mal. Hein. Je le sens mal, j'ai comme l'impression que soit on va se faire intercepter dans la tour, soit on va arriver, il y aura eu une fouille. Enfin, on voit que l'œil il est survolté, là. Il arrête plein de gens, ils sont très présents dans les rues, c'est étrange, il doit se passer quelque chose. En attendant, moi, je vous laisse là pour cet épisode, et je vous dis à la prochaine.